Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting now? Confirm your iPhone is Magsafe capable and running the latest iOS because compatibility matters for optimized charging. Remove bulky or metal cases. A Magsafe or thin case ensures a tight magnetic connection. Once done, wake the phone and align the center of the battery pack to the phone's back until the magnets click. Make sure the battery pack's LED indicates power so charging can begin immediately and reliably. Once the pack is attached, glance at the phone's screen to confirm charging starts and note the percentage. This tells you the connection is good. If charging seems slow, enable low power mode or close background apps to reduce drain and allow faster net charging. Make sure the pack and phone stay cool. If they warm, remove the case or detach briefly to let them cool down, because temperature affects charging efficiency and battery health. When you're ready to finish, gently pull the battery pack straight off. Don't twist and avoid sliding across the camera. If charging stops suddenly, reattach carefully and confirm the LED and on-screen indicator. Realignment often fixes interruptions. If problems persist, charge the pack itself to full, restart your phone, and make sure iOS is updated. This sequence clears common connection or firmware hiccups and gets you back to reliable MagSafe charging.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.